Pashuban Bhavati, please accept.
I take pleasure in welcoming you for the inauguration of the Control Technique India's first drive center, which has been set up at Madras. Control Techniques in India was originally set up as a joint venture between RSM Electronics, which was a company, a small company, set up by me and two colleagues of mine in end 1990. And the partnership was with Control Techniques PLC UK, which happens to be one of the largest manufacturers of digital drive systems in the world. Control Techniques India is part of the Control Techniques worldwide family and also the Emerson family. And we have a commitment to be a worldwide company sitting in India. We don't want to look at India as a closed door and just serving India. We would like India and Control Techniques India to play a very major role in the corporate company as a whole.
Mr. Manny was talking about the importance of being a global player in the business world today, and that's our interest, that's our intent. It's probably the interest of many people in this room.
The function. And I carry the best wishes from the state government for the continued success of this project in the coming years. I think Mr. Mani has been rather very kind to me in sort of saying a lot of good words about me. But I think we've done our job, what we ought to do. But I thought I would tell my distinguished friends from abroad that as the previous speaker spoke, India's market is exploding. I think the kind of growth we would have in the next 10 years is something unimaginable. I mean, today the exports are growing around 24%, the industrial growth is around 8%, the inflation is around 7 to 8%, and that's the kind of situation we're in. And we're growing pretty fast. And I think this even symbolizes what the reform process is initiated, what reform process has done to the country. Where today a small group could tie up with a global giant, but just not on anything else, but on pure merit and capabilities.
But and Manny and the rest of their team, that we have an excellent team here, and they have our full support in what they're doing and what they've achieved so far. And I think they've achieved great things. Particularly as I was here 6 months ago, and that building didn't exist. And there were a number of people digging holes in the ground, and that's all there was. And I think, Manny, you've done a fantastic job. Where's he gone? I've taken my job. I can go on holiday now.